Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Workday Home account for UPS in 2025. It's a super quick and easy guide, so stick around till the end. So let's go and clear. You can't sign up directly through the Workday app. If you download it from the Play Store or App Store and open it, you'll see that it only asks for an organization ID. No sign up button, no account creation form. Why? Because Workday accounts are company managed, not user created. That means your access is controlled by your employer, in this case, UPS. Here's what you need to do. Open the Workday website, tap the three lines at the top right, then hit sign in. Right here, Workday clearly says you must contact your HR or IT departments to get access. So if you work at UPS and want to access your Workday account, reach out to your HR, IT, or Workday system admin. They will either give you a sign up link or your organization ID. Once you have that, go back to the Workday app, enter a or scan your organization ID and you'll be able to log in, set up your profile. Also, there is a more information button inside the app. If you want to explore the available features, that is it. Simple, right? Remember, you need permissions to set up from your company. There is no DIY sign up here. So this is it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.